Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. I want to do a quick video today, just showing you some of the tricks that I used on this project. So, car maintenance time. This is my 03 Honda Pilot. We're doing transmission fluid, drain and fill. And at least for this model, the transmission fill plug is it's somewhere back in that region. I honestly couldn't find the thing, and I got tired of looking. And I watched YouTube video tutorials, and they show me a picture of it. You know, it's like, hey, it should be here. And then I look at mine, like, mine don't look like that. So rather than trying to hunt for it, it's like, okay, you can fill these things through the dipstick hole. So I decided to do that. So I run a hose down to the, over the dipstick line, right? Hose up here, and ran it to a funnel. And I wanted to show you at least, this is simple, but sometimes the simplest things are the most helpful. This is another case for reusable zip ties, right? I showed you in previous videos, like building the dog pen and stuff. So I took a reusable zip tied my funnel to the little hood support, and now it's not gonna go anywhere, and I can pour and without having anything to worry about. Also, the other thing I wanted to talk about is breaking the transmission drain plug loose. So it can be a challenge. And so what I did, and mainly it's not a challenge, right? If you get the car up on jack stands or whatever, then you can get a breaker bar under there and it's fine. I didn't want to get the car up on jack stands because that takes time and I'm lazy. So I was like, well, I got a minimum amount under here. Let me pardon me for the framing, because I'm under the car doing this live, right? So you can see my ratchet up there on the drain plug. So that's just a 3/4 or 3/8 drive ratchet, right? From Tecton. Love Tecton. That's what I use for pretty much all my mechanics tools. I found them to be the best value for, lifetime warranty. I can buy single wrenches and sockets from them anytime I want and not have to buy sets. And they're reasonably priced, right? So I like Tecton. Not a sponsor. But I couldn't get it with just the ratchet, right? So what I did was I took a piece of 3/4 inch black pipe, slid it over here, and then that gave me, a little mini cheater bar, just enough, because you don't have much ground clearance here, right? And I still couldn't get it with my hands, but this gives you enough leverage where you can kind of do it like this. Then you can kind of get your foot in there and position it right to push, right? If you've got good upper body strength, more than me, which I'm sure you do, then, you can just muscle it. But I didn't do that, so I used my legs. So I just kind of, was able to push it and pop it and break it loose. So that worked for me. So hope you guys find this helpful in your automotive adventures. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.